We're gonna make a meat picadillo. So I'm gonna start with 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And I'm going to add a cup of onion that I already diced. Picadillo translates to something that is cutely chopped. 3 garlic cloves that I peeled and finely chopped. A pound of ground pork. And it is so versatile that it can really play with all of the ingredients that go into the picadillo. A half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground allspice, and I'm gonna add 5 whole cloves, half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, 3/4 teaspoons of salt. We really wanna brown the pork and release its juices like it just did. A pound of ripe Roma tomatoes, and you really want tomatoes that are so ripe and so juicy that they're about to burst when you hold them with your hand, and they're so juicy that they're hard to slice into. That's what you want. Olives, 3 tablespoons of capers, and a 1/4 cup of slivered almonds, 3 tablespoons of dark raisins, and I'm adding a 1/4 cup of diced pickled jalapenos or jalapenos en vinagre. And these are going to make the picadillo have a nice vinegary kick. The tomatoes have completely broken in there and these looks really, really moist. So this is ready.